If you want to learn 5 simple ways to make money online in 2022, then you're going to want to watch this video. So it's the beginning of a new year, and I know a lot of people, they make New Year's resolutions, whether it's to lose weight or they want to make more money. So if you're somebody who's looking to make more money in 2022, then this video is going to help you out. Now, as far as losing weight, I've been trying to lose weight for the longest time already, so I can't really help you out right there. But let me just get right into this video. So the first way that you can make money online in 2022 is through online teaching. So there's a website called outschool.com, and you can sign up to become a teacher without any teaching credentials. And you can sign up to teach a variety of different subjects. So you can teach subjects like arts, social studies, English, even gaming. No, seriously, there's people who are signing up as teachers on this website, and they're playing games with students like Fortnite, Roblox, Among Us, and Minecraft. So if you want to get paid to play games with students, you would just host games as a teacher and play along with the students and just moderate the discussion. And the students, they work on their communication skills by working together with their peers. So in order to get started as an online teacher, all you have to do is just click on Teach. You're gonna fill out an application and meet the requirements that they have. So this next method is for people who like to create graphic designs. So this method is known as print on demand. So first you would create a graphic design. You can use a website like canva.com, or if you have Photoshop, you can use that as well. And basically when you create your graphic design, you would then upload it onto a website and just put that graphic design on any item that you want to have sold. It can be an item like a t-shirt, a hoodie, a coffee mug, stickers, and there's plenty of other merchandise that you can put your graphic designs on. And whenever somebody purchases your graphic designs on any of that merchandise, that company pays you a royalty. So for example, if you put your graphic design onto a t-shirt and somebody buys a t-shirt with your graphic design on it, that company is gonna print out the t-shirt and ship it to the customer, and then the company pays you a royalty for that. So this is a way that you can earn a passive income. It's not gonna be a life-changing amount of money, but it can add up over time just to get residual royalties. So if you have a graphic design that's extremely popular, a lot of people, they like it and they're buying it, you can get paid over and over again just by one graphic design. So a few websites where you can sign up and create your online store on those platforms are Redbubble, Zazzle.com, Designed by Humans, and Spreadshop. All you would have to do is just go to these websites, you would sign up and pretty much create your own online store, and then you can just start uploading your graphic designs on there. So the next method is gonna be for people who are looking for work from home jobs. So if you wanna work from the comfort of your own home and you wanna have that consistency of having a paycheck, then this might be a good option for you to go with. So one website that I always recommend people who are looking for work from home jobs is a website called kellyservices.com. So when you go to this website, you're just gonna click on find jobs. And if you already know what type of job you're looking for, you can type it in the search bar. Or if you just wanna see what type of jobs are available, you can just click on find jobs again. And then it's gonna show you all the available jobs that they have. But if you wanna see all the work from home jobs that they have available, you're gonna go to the top and then there's a drop down menu that says work from home. You're gonna click on yes and you're gonna apply it. And then it's gonna show you all the work from home jobs that they have available. And it's gonna show you the description whenever you click on a specific job and the requirements as well. So real quick, I just wanna say, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, if you're getting value from it, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. And also, if you're interested in learning different ways to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the fourth way to make money online is for people who have an empty space and they're looking to rent it out. So a pretty cool website where you can do this is a website called Naver.com. So when you go to this website, you will click on become a host and then you're gonna sign up and list what type of space that you have available that you wanna rent out. So whether you have an empty bedroom, garage, driveway, attic, storage space, there's plenty of other spaces that you can rent out if you have them available. You're just gonna list what you have available that you're looking to rent out, and then you're gonna set your price. Now, when somebody is interested in renting out your space, they're gonna message you through the Naver app, and then you can just work out the details with them from there. Now, the cool thing about Naver.com is that when the person who is renting out your space, let's say they stop paying you, Naver.com will pay you as long as their items are still occupying your space. So you're covered as far as getting paid. Now, the fifth way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you're getting paid every time you send a customer to buy a product from a company's website. So in other words, you're getting paid to refer people whenever they buy a product from a certain company. And there's plenty of popular companies that have affiliate programs that you can sign up with. I'm talking about companies like Amazon, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and there's plenty more. Now, what a lot of people do to make money with affiliate marketing is they use their social media platforms. So they use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and even TikTok. As a matter of fact, there's a few accounts on TikTok that have a lot of followers, and they just have their account to review products that you can buy from websites like Amazon or similar companies. So what these accounts do is they create product reviews. They just do an unboxing. They show themselves using the product, and then they have a link in their profile on TikTok or their other social media account. And whenever somebody clicks on their link, it directs them to the sales page where they can buy that product for themselves. Now, let me know which one is your favorite method down in the comments below. And if you want to know my personal recommendation to make money online, you can check out the first link in the top of the description. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use affiliate marketing with TikTok, then I recommend you check out this video right here. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.